This is Filipino food. First heat the oil, put the garlic and onion, then stir for a few minutes till brown. Then this is chicken with soya sauce, lemon. After onion and the garlic, just put it all the chicken, then stir. This is pepper. This is pepper, and this is called Adobo, Filipino food. Red chili, wow, delicious adobo. In every party, occasion, they cook Filipino food. Is special. This is special. Chili, bay leaves, pepper, and chicken, and vinegar, soya sauce. We will cover for 10 minutes in low heat. After a few minutes, so again she is going to put soya sauce. The difference and before and now. See? Now it's boiling. For 15 minutes she is going to cook again. The flame is not high, not low. See, after it became a bit darker. Now finished. It's cooked. You can enjoy it with your rice and roti, whatever you like to eat with this. You can enjoy it. Thank you very much.